Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0134 indicates a malfunction in the AF sensor's heater system, specifically for sensor 1, which plays a critical role in managing the air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. This component, located in the exhaust system, helps the engine control module, ECM, ascertain the optimal air-fuel ratio by measuring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases. When the heater system does not operate correctly, it affects the sensor's performance, potentially leading to reduced fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Troubleshooting this code is vital, as it may be linked to other DTCs like P0251, which should be addressed first if present. It is recommended to perform a thorough analysis of electrical connections and the integrity of the sensor itself to resolve the issue effectively. The AF sensor, or air-fuel sensor, specifically sensor 1, acts as the engine's diagnostic tool for fuel-air mixture control. Positioned in the exhaust manifold, this sensor measures the concentration of oxygen in the exhaust gases, helping the engine control module, ECM, to adjust the air-fuel ratio for improved combustion efficiency. The sensor contains a built-in heater that allows it to reach operational temperature quickly, ensuring that it provides accurate readings regardless of engine conditions. A malfunction in the heater system can hinder the sensor's ability to respond effectively, leading to issues like misfueling, rough engine performance, or increased tailpipe emissions. Therefore, when DTC P0134 is triggered, it signals that the heater circuit for this sensor has failed, necessitating immediate evaluation. There are several reasons why DTC P0134 may be generated. One significant cause is a damaged or defective AF sensor itself, which can occur due to age, exposure to extreme conditions, or internal failure. Another potential cause is faulty wiring or poor electrical connections between the sensor and the vehicle control module, VCM, which can lead to an open or short circuit scenario. Additionally, problems within the powertrain control module, PCM, can cause erroneous signals or prevent the heater from functioning as intended. Each of these issues can impair the vehicle's ability to maintain an optimal air-fuel ratio, affecting overall performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. When DTC P0134 activates, the vehicle may exhibit various symptoms that indicate underlying problems. Drivers often experience poor fuel efficiency, as the engine could be running either too rich or too lean due to inaccurate readings from the AF sensor. Increased emissions may also occur as a direct result, potentially putting the vehicle at risk of failing emission tests. Moreover, the check engine light will typically illuminate to alert the driver of the issue. In some more severe cases, the vehicle may also run roughly or exhibit stalling during acceleration due to improper fuel delivery. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent more serious engine problems down the line. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0134 is to confirm the error's existence. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Then, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. This system allows for comprehensive diagnostics and insights into vehicle performance issues. Once cleared, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode, and then start the engine, allowing it to idle without any load, specifically in park or neutral, for at least 1 minute. After this period, recheck for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. If P0134 is indicated, you will proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If it's not indicated, there might be an intermittent failure, and further investigation into connections or terminals might be necessary. For the second step, begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure that no electrical paths remain active. Next, Jump the SCS, or System Connector Short, line with the HDS, and wait for at least 1 minute. This step prepares the vehicle systems for a more focused diagnostic check. Then, disconnect the AF sensor's 6P connector and the PCM's E80P connector. It is crucial to check the continuity of the wires between specific test points. The female terminals of the AF sensor 6P connector, specifically terminal number 6, and pin number 73 of the PCM connector E80P. This continuity test checks for any open circuits in the VS wire, which connects the AF sensor to the PCM. If continuity exists, move on to the next step. If not, you need to repair any open circuit identified. In the third troubleshooting step, reconnect the PCM connector E80P, ensuring that all contacts are secure. Afterward, exit the SCS mode using the HDS to resume normal operational diagnostics. Start the engine and let it idle in the park or neutral position for a minimum of 1 minute again. This allows the system to stabilize, enabling accurate voltage measurement at the AF sensor. With the engine running, measure the voltage across test points, terminal number 6 of the AF sensor 6P connector, and the body ground. If the voltage measures about 0.2 volts or less, it indicates a potential fault in the PCM or system, requiring a check of any service information related to the symptoms. If the voltage is significantly higher, it suggests that the AF sensor itself has failed and likely requires replacement. Once repairs are made to correct the issue indicated by DTC P0134, it is essential to verify that the repairs were successful. Begin by clearing the DTC using the HDS. Then, take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions, allowing the engine to reach operating temperature and assessing its performance actively. During this test drive, keep an eye on the check engine light to ensure it remains off. After the drive, recheck for any reoccurring DTCs using the HDS. It is also advisable to monitor the performance of the AF sensor to ensure that it operates correctly within specified parameters. If the light remains off and there are no new codes, the repairs can be considered complete. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0134, regular maintenance and inspections are key. Schedule routine inspections of the AF sensor to ensure it remains in good working condition. These inspections should include checking the sensor itself, as well as evaluating the wiring and connectors for wear or corrosion, which are common issues that can cause faults in the sensor's operation. Additionally, using high-quality fuel can enhance engine performance and prolong the lifespan of the AF sensor by minimizing deposits and contaminants that could harm its operation. By proactively maintaining these components, you can avoid prolonged engine issues and improve overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, DTC P0134 signifies a malfunction in the AF sensor's heater system, a critical component for maintaining optimal engine performance and emissions control. Understanding the role of the AF sensor and its intricacies is essential for timely and effective troubleshooting. The troubleshooting steps outlined, from verifying the issue to performing comprehensive checks of the wiring and PCM, are crucial in accurately diagnosing the problem. Furthermore, preventive maintenance, such as regular inspections of the sensor and wiring, alongside utilizing quality fuel, can significantly decrease the likelihood of DTC P0134 appearing again. Adopting these practices will ensure a well-functioning vehicle and extend its service life. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!